That's your favorite, right?
Yeah, it was the skinny ghost from Casper that came out. I'm back to normal.
Back to normal?
Yeah, that's it.
Feeling better?
Oh my god, I feel loose.
Okay, so we'll come in here and start with the neck first, okay? Good. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Perfect. All right. A little sore right there too? Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Time for your favorite one. That's your favorite, right?
Yeah, it was the skinny ghost from Casper that came out.
Expelling the demons. Okay, let's have you scoot down now. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna cross your arms right here. Good. And we'll roll you a little bit. Perfect. Right here. Okay. So, deep breath in. Exhale. Good. Let the shoulders relax.
How was with that one? Oh my god, that's the demons.
The demons.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's have you roll on your side. You'll face me over here.
You know, like that day that I did, that last time you did that, last week when you did that one, you put me to sleep for 2 days. I had to call out. I seriously slept. It was like I needed it.
Well, you were so stressed when you came in too.
No, could you see it? I was like, hey, I'm uncomfortable.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
You'll come over onto your side, face this way.
Yeah, like I was.
Yeah, I remember it was like stressed, like
Yeah.
long work week and everything. Bring that hip forward a little bit. There we go, perfect. Okay, and then we'll go right here and right there. Okay. Good. Okay. Nice and easy. Good. And then other side. Good. Bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Perfect. Bring that hip forward. There we go. And right there. Okay. I'm going to go right here for this one, okay? This tailbone area. So, nice and easy. Popping already. Good. Okay.
Well, it was already.
Yeah, already popping. Okay, so we'll have you sit up and see how everything feels.
I'm back to normal.
Back to
Yeah,
normal?
that's it.
Feeling better?
Oh my god, I feel loose. I'm like cold, but sweating.
Yeah, at the same time.
Yeah, like it's weird. I feel cold, but like it's like a rush of sweat.
Sometimes
You know,
patients will,
the neck pull thing, and then that back.
yeah, in the mid back.
That is.
Those are two areas where you hold
Oh
most
my
of your
God,
stress.
wow. What a difference.
Good. All right.
Yay!
You're so welcome.